Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Emily Aliado Nis, 33 years old, single. I have one daughter. She is 12 years old. We live at Barangay Baak, Dueñas, Iloilo. I have three brothers, one sister, and I am the fourth child in the family. I am a high school graduate. I have work experience as domestic helper at Saudi Arabia for 4 years. They are couple with two kids, 6 and 7 years old. My duties are taking care of the kids, ironing the clothes, washing, cleaning, and cooking. My personality is I am hardworking, can work under pressure, can manage my time, and a happy person. I want to work abroad for my daughter's education and to save money to build our own house. Mom and sir, if you select me as your domestic helper, I will finish my contract and extend if needed. I am trustworthy, responsible, and honest person, hardworking, can work with less supervision. Good afternoon and God bless, Mom and Sir.